alam naman natin, naging bahagi na ng buhay natin ang ating mga Chowking favorites tulad ng Laureate, ng Chowfan, nandyan din ang Mami, Siopaw at Halo Halo. Ang Chowking 40th year anniversary is not just a celebration from the past. It's also about really looking forward to the future. And on behalf of Chowking team, makakaasa po kayo that we will even strive even harder to give you more reasons to love Chowking and to keep coming back not just for several years but also for the decades to come. So I'm sure excited na kayo. I wish all the best for all the runners. Good luck. Let's really put the fun in Chow Fun Run. Maraming salamat. Thank you also to our partners, PepsiCo and Coca-Cola, for making sure that our teams are hydrated today. So let's run safe and let's make sure that let's have fun. Maraming salamat.
President Kenneth Leon, everybody! Sir, stay tayo dito. We'll have a groupie. Wow morning! Wow morning! Wow morning!
Wow morning!
Let's go!
Ayan, so as we take our photo, let me request the runners to
Closer,
please
please,
come
closer.
closer to the stage. Ayan, so special na nga because we're celebrating the Chowking's 40 years of excellence through the first ever Chow Fun Run. May exclusive Chow Lectable pa for all our registrants.
Oh, diba? Sobrang exciting, but of course, but wait till there's more. This event will not be complete, syempre, without our endorsers who have been a part of the journey.
Ready na ba kayo makita ang endorsers natin?
Oh, grabe!
Tanungin natin, sir. Tanungin natin, sino gusto yung makita? Hindi ko marinig. Sino gusto yung makita?
Syempre, bago natin tawagin yung endorsers natin, lapit muna kayo.
Come on, come closer, come closer.
Alright, I know everyone's so excited to meet our endorsers. So, without further ado, let's welcome to the stage People's Superstars, Kim Chu and Paula Adelina.
It is Kim Paul.
Hello!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
What a wow morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, grabe, for the record, ito na yung pinakamaaga naming pagbati sa mga supporters at 3 a.m.
Naging nato pa yan kasi pa.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Diba, wow morning na wow morning. Gano'n ka-excited ba kayo na nandito kayo at 3 a.m.?
Yes, una, very excited of course kasi first Chowking event to na that involves running. So it's very amazing, kakaiba, and in time for celebration of Chowking sa 40 years. Kaya maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. And of course, excited ako dito sa mga katakbuhan ko sa 10K run.
How about you pa? Ikaw, may mensahe ka ba sa mga kasama mo mamaya tumakbo?
Ayan, marami ba tayo nasa 10K run ngayon? Wow, madami. So, kayo mga kasabayan namin, tulong-tulong lang tayo sa daan.
Wow morning to each other.
Pag nakikita nyo mabagal ako, tulak na lang ako konti. Mga pasimpleng tulak.
Oh guys you have permission pwede yung itulak mamaya si Paula Adelina.
Parang iba ata.
Anong preparation, kung if any, yung ginawa ninyo for your 10K run today? Aside from waking up.
Waking up this early. Galing kami ng Cebu actually, nag-taping na our newest teleserye, The Alibi. Yes, and now, of course, preparation. Every Sunday kasi nag-run kami na, wow kami. Every Sunday, so parang nakakatuwa lang na yung gusto namin ginagawa is also part ng Chowking ngayon.
And diba exciting kasi nag-run na kayo every Sunday, tapos ngayon ka-run niyo ba ang family?
Yes!
Yes! Chow fam!
May nabasa ako sa ex ex na yung iba daw dito, mga first time runner.
Asa yung mga first time runners? Taas mo ba?
Welcome. Welcome to the running community. So, speaking of the family here in our Chow Fun Run 2025, as you can see, medyo iba-iba tayo ng suot na t-shirts as of the moment. So, may I know what shirt you chose and why you chose that?
Ang shirt ko is halo-halo, of course. Super sangkap, halo-halo. Si Paolo nang kaya lang.
Halo. Marami rin pa. Marami rin.
Good morning.
Okay, ito na talaga, Pao. Isa pa.
Isingin natin, Paul.
Ay! Again. Bigyan naman natin ng konting lakas yung rally natin. Sasabayin ko yun. Sino dito ang Team Siopaw?
Sino naman dito ang Team Chow Fun?
Madami ang Team Siopaw. Okay, sino naman dito ang Team Laureate? Team Laureate! Parang napumunta ako sa team na
Team Laureate.
Team Laureate.
Go! Eto ba? Sino naman dito ang Team Halo Halo? It's so amazing.
Okay.
Hindi ba kumukuha pa nata ng shirt?
Nag-decide pa sila kung anong gusto nilang i-conceive.
So later on, I hope you guys will represent your categories very well. But now we'll have a groupie with Kim Pao on stage. So please join us in this groupie. Calling on our photographers once again. Photographers for our groupie. Lapit na kayo.
Once again, calling Sir Ken to join us for our groupie. Sir Ken, hello, good morning. Well, morning.
Kita-kita tayo sa daan. Thank you.
Alright, see you later!
Let's give it up one last time for Kim Pao, everybody!
Thank you so much! Ayan!
Pero meron tayong next na celebrity on stage,
Ayan,
Sarah.
favorite